First and foremost, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight. Your presence means the world to us and is testament to the love and the respect that you all.
Testing. Yes.
Attention, please.
Good evening to everyone, all my friends, family, colleagues. I'm so touched and blessed to have all of you in my life. I think எல்லாருமே தமிழவங்கள தான் இருக்கீங்க. நான் தமிழ்லயே பேசலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். வந்தமைக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. இத வந்து எதிர்பார்க்காத சர்ப்ரைஸ். It is a very happy surprise for me. I have a little bit of doubt with my son, but I thought will be my family only will be coming. And this evening, my mother suddenly said, "I want to go for engagement." Okay. Something is sunny, something is fishy. But I never thought this big crowd, this big family will come and celebrate my 50th birthday. This is very memorable at this age, at 50 years old. For me, this is only number. 50 is just a number for me. I want to live my life every day and be happy every day. So I will be move on with my life with all the energy and all the happiness and then all the blessing from all of you. So that's what I keep in my mind. 50 is just number for me. Okay, so I think a lot more for me to achieve in my life, in my personal life, and then to all my kids. I think by God bless, they will be. I want to become the role model for them to be happy in life and then take the challenge and then follow whatever you like in your life. And great thank you for all my kids and my family and my relative who arranged this surprisingly. It's really surprise for me. Okay, I never expected this because recently only we have a 50th birthday for my sister-in-law. So we have a lot of big gathering. So I thought another gathering will be another effort for my family to gather again because one of my brother in Perak. So I thought, okay, it's just anything also fine. So I never thought of this big surprise for me. So otherwise, I'm very grateful, and then all your blessings I will bring with me forever. And this is a good memory and a best memory in my life. I think this is the best memory. Memory, yes. Okay, so all the pictures, all the memory I will bring with me throughout my life. Thank you so much.
Woo! Thank you.
Okay.
இந்த பலூன் ஊதுறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்ட தெரியுமா? இவ்வளவு சின்னாக தூக்கி போடுறீங்க.
In this photo album, celebrating 50 wonderful years, dear mummy, happy 50th birthday. We are truly blessed to have you in our lives. Thank you for your unconditional love and care. Your kindness and strength inspire us every day. Here's to many more wonderful years filled with joy and laughter. Today you are given another opportunity to blow up candles. I'm sure you are grateful because it means another year of joy and greater opportunities for you. Make everybody of your life count and enjoy every moment. Over the years, as we together to support you in all ways that we can, may the Almighty bless my dear Sivagami on your 50th birthday and all days of your beautiful life. We are RPKS pray that God helps you fulfill all your dreams. From Ramesh, Philomena, Katyani and Shurin family. Hey sister, from childhood games to our grown-up dreams, you have been a constant source of love and inspiration. Your strength and grace have always amazed me and I'm so proud to call you my sister. May your birthday be filled with beautiful moments and may all your wishes come true. Here's another year of laughter and unforgettable memories from Supra, Wa, Dash, Niro family. Thank you. Happy 50th birthday, dear Sivagami sister. As you celebrate this significant milestone, I want you to know how deeply we admire your strength, resilience, and heart. Turning 50 is a celebration of all the wonderful experiences that have shaped you and a reminder of the exciting adventures yet to come whenever you face challenges. Remember that you have the wisdom and courage to overcome anything. We are always here to support you no matter what. With all our love and support, Sacred, Malalpilli, Service, Minish, Logamili family. Thank you. Ulla Sivagami. This message is from my mother. 50வது பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நீ பிறந்த முதல் என் வாழ்க்கையில் முடிவில்லாத மகிழ்ச்சியும் அன்பையும் கொண்டு வந்தாய். வாழ்க்கையில் ஏற்றத்தாழ்வுகளை நீ மன வலிமையுடன் மற்றும் இரக்கத்துடன் கடந்து செல்கிறாய் என்பதை பார்க்கும்போது உண்மையிலேயே ஒரு ஆசீர்வாதமாக இருக்கிறது. நீ இந்த புதிய தசாப்தத்தில் அடியெடுத்து வைக்கும் போது நான் உனக்காக இருக்கிறேன். உனக்கு ஆதரவு அளிக்கவும் உன்னை உற்சாகப்படுத்தவும் உள்ளேன் என்பதை நினைவில் கொள்ள வேண்டும். நீ ஒரு அதிசயமான பெண். உன்னை எனது மகளாக கொண்டிருப்பதில் மிகவும் பெருமைப்படுகிறேன். முடிவில்லாத அன்பு ஆதரவுடன்
Mama,